Next, I am going to insert part numbers 9 in this hole. So we know that this threaded portion M6 mm diameter. Here also you can see M6. So we can insert up to this point in this hole. So the total distance was given 10 mm. I am marking 10 mm here. So here you can see a line, the distance was not given. So I am choosing my own. Next, from this to this end, the height was given 19.5. 19.5, it's coming here. And this distance was given 11. So marking 5.5, 5.5. Then this head, the thickness of this head is 4.5 mm. And the diameter of head is 15 mm. From here I am marking 7.5. And from here 7.5. You can see a cut here. The gap is 2 mm. And the depth is 2.5 mm. So that's all, we have completed these parts. And the next thing is you have to assemble the job. This one is the job. This center point, இந்த center point வந்து கரெக்டாக இந்த இடத்துல மேட்ச் ஆகும், அது போல் வரையணும். So first we shall draw these two circles. These two circle is of diameter. Outer circle diameter is 28. So 28 means you measure 14 mm in compass. Then the inner circle diameter is 22. So I am using pro circle. This one is a 20 mm diameter circle and this one is a 22 mm diameter circle. and this outer circle. Next we have to draw this outer circle whose diameter was given here 32. Measure 16 mm and draw the outer circle. Then this line I am going to draw. Before that I am going to draw the center line. So here you can see the center line. The gap between these two center line is 17 mm. So this center line will exactly match with this one. And here you can see two small lines. The gap between these two small lines was given. This diagram is completely given here, zoomed. The sectional portion இங்கே வந்து zoom பண்ணி காமிச்சிருக்காங்க. So இந்த gap வந்து 1.5 mm இருக்கு. And from this line the height is 12 mm. And this end of the line is 10 mm below this line. And here you can see I have to find this distance, the distance between the center line and this edge. For that I have to use the top view. The radius of this outer circle, the radius of this outer circle was given 6.5, which means this distance will be 6.5. The next one I am going to put hole. This hole diameter is 6.4. So I have to draw 3.2. You can draw for 3 mm. So this distance is 6.4. And you can see another hole of major diameter 6 mm. This one is a threaded one. So in order to indicate thread, you have to draw another line. Just leave 0.5 mm gap. Here you can see a fillet of radius R5. For R5 you have to use 10 mm diameter circle. Next I am going to draw the bottom portion of this job. Here you can see 3 circles. One is of diameter 12, another is of diameter 22, and the third circle is of diameter 20. So 12, 20, 22. So I am going to use pro circle. First I am drawing the 12 mm diameter circle. 12 mm. Then 20. This one is the 20 mm diameter circle. Then 22. Here the bottom end is 13 mm gap. So split into 6.5, 6.5, 6.5, 6.5. So this distance is 13 mm. I just draw 2 lines. Similarly here you can see this gap is 22 mm. 11, 11, total 22. Join the lines. And here also you can see a fillet of radius 5. Here also they are using fillet. So this is enough. You have assembled part number 10. Job. Next one is I have to draw this part number 12, hand nut. So I am going to draw this hand nut only in the left side of this section line. I am going to suppress on the right side. That means I have to draw only this portion. Only left half portion I am going to draw. If I draw this one full, you cannot see this job clearly. So I am going to suppress this on the right side. So I am going to draw this only in the left side. Hand nut I am going to draw only in the left side. You can see this major diameter is 54 mm. So in order to avoid confusion, I am going to erase some portion here. So 54 means measure 27. Here you can see another circle. This is because of this chamfer line 2 into 45 degree. So I have to reduce 2 mm. So 57. If I reduce 2 mm, I will get 54. That means the radius is 27. Now the radius I have to measure is 25. Measure 25. And draw another semicircle. The next thing I have to draw is this hole, but before that I have to draw these points. The gap between these 2 points is 44 mm. So I am going to draw a semicircle in order to get these end points. For that I have to take a radius half of 44, 22. So measure 22. Then this circle I have to draw. Major diameter is 16 mm. For that I am going to use the pro circle. So this is the 16 mm circle. Here there is a inner circle to indicate the thread. So for that you reduce just to 1 mm. Use 14 mm diameter circle. Here in this portion you can see the thread, so that we can insert the nut easily on this shaft, threaded shaft. In order to insert this knob easily, here you can see the threaded portion in this gap. The gap is 10 mm. Five. And next one, here there are totally eight pieces, so I have to array this. For that I have to keep an angle of 45 degree. From this to this point the angle is 45 degree. So use protractor and mark 45 degree. This side also 45 degree. Here you can see this thickness is 10.5. I can assume it as 10. So 5, 5. Rotate your drafter to 45 degree and mark the distance 10.5. The distance between these 2 points is 10.5. From this point 5, from this side 5. Then I have to connect these points with a pro circle. Choose suitable circle. This arc should touch this 2 point and also the bottom circle. This circle was drawn at a radius of 22 mm. So that's all. I have completed the hand net. The last thing is I have to insert this one, part number 11, locating plug here. So if I insert this locating plug here, I can get a circle in the side view of diameter 20 mm. So here there are circles of diameter 20 mm, so no need to draw that one. So this one is the 20 mm. So you can see we are having already circle of diameter 20 mm, so no need to draw that one. I am going to show this plug only in the left side of this section line, because if I show it on the right side also, we can't see this job clearly. So in order to avoid that, I am just drawing the plug only on the left side. This one is a plug of diameter 20 mm. This circle is 22 mm. You can see the outer circle is 22 mm. Here you can see the inner circle 12 mm diameter. And another circle 20 mm diameter. And the 22 mm diameter circle. So that's all. After that I have to project this portion here. This hand nut is my incomplete attached. So in order to complete that I have to project lines from the side view. From this corner I have to draw a line, and from this point you can join these lines like hand, show the curvature. Here you can see fillet on these two portions. The fillet radius was not given, so I'm going to use 3 mm radius. here there is a cut, so you have to mark this cut. Before that I have to mark this center line on this side view. So the gap between these two center line is 100 mm. So 50 total, you will get 100. Draw the center line first. Then this gap is given 13 mm, so half of it is 6.5, so this distance will be 6.5, so this distance will also be 6.5. From here you measure 6.5 mm and draw a dashed lines. 5, 5, 6, 6.5. So with this we have completed the side view.